Hi, I am Bünyamin Furkan Hacıoğlu. Today I will make an experiment about osmosis. As we know, osmosis is a process of movement of solvent through a semi-permeable membrane from a lower solute concentration to higher solute concentration. In this experiment, I will remove shells of eggs and use them such a cell culture. I will put them into hypertonic solution and hypotonic solution to show osmosis. So let's begin. Okay, now as a first step, I will remove one of my egg as a control group, and the rest of I placed my rest of the eggs in different glasses, and I will cover all of them with vinegar. Now I'm adding my vinegar in the glass, and I will wait 24 hours. At the some parts, we will observe the difference by time. Okay, now after 24 hours, I will remove this vinegar and pour fresh vinegar to each glass. I must be careful because my eggs are so vulnerable at this point. Now I will put fresh vinegar each glass. Cover all egg again. 24 hours for this second stage. We will observe during this time. So now we will wait 24 hours. As you see at this point, we almost reached the cell wall, and 12 hours left to take them out. Okay, my eggs almost are ready. So now I will prepare my corn syrup. For the prepared corn syrup, I will add 3/4 water and 1 glass of sugar. Now I will boil this mixture. Okay, I boiled my mixture. Now I add in into a pinch of salt, That would be enough. After I mix it, I will let it cool down. We're just going to wait a few hours. Okay, now my experiment first step is ready. I will remove vinegar from my eggs and make a little compare with control egg. Okay. Now we can see the difference between control group and vinegar eggs. After we dissolve their shell, it become like this situation. Now I will remove one more egg as a control group from my vinegar eggs, and I will put each of them separated glasses and cover it with them corn syrup. Now, as you see, I separated one of my vinegar egg as a control group and put the other two egg different glasses. Now I will cover them with corn syrup and submerge them. Okay, now we will wait 24 hours for this step. I find out the way to submerge them. I hope they won't be float again. I know we are still continue the experiment, but after 6 hours I want to show what's going on. So if I remove these heavy things, they reach the top of glass, and I want to show them closely. Our theoretical knowledge almost becomes the true, but we will wait 18 hours too. Okay, after 24 hours, I will remove the corn syrup from my eggs and rinse them, and maybe I will make a little comparison with the other control group eggs. Okay, I rinsed both of them. Now make a little compression before the next step. As you see, this is our control group egg, and is a normal egg. This one is a egg with only vinegar. As you see, is swallowed up with the vinegar. And these two are just come from corn syrup. As you understand our theoretical knowledge, corn syrup was a hypertonic solution. That's why our egg lose their liquids, and they get different shapes. Maybe you can see this their new parts. After hypertonic solution, I will put my egg. Hypotonic solution is a water, but I will color it my water with food colorant. That's why we can see clearly our water going into our eggs. Now I will prepare my food colorant water, just a few drops, and then I mix it. Just it. Okay, I placed my egg in a separated glass. Now I will add my water with food colorant. As you see, our egg is here, and the other egg in the state will stay in control group. Now we will wait 24 hours more. Okay, now after 24 hours, I will remove colored water from my egg, see what is the last condition, and make some comparison with other eggs. See, that was our last condition for my egg. Okay, now as you see, my all results for eggs are ready to make some comment about them. First sample is our control group egg. I didn't do anything on, so it stayed as a normal egg. You see. After that, other 3 eggs get in reaction with vinegar and lose their shell. That's how I could use them as a cell culture to put them into liquids of different density. My second egg, it's here, is the one which is getting reaction with only vinegar, which is a control group for this step 2. Then I put last 2 eggs in corn syrup. I accepted corn syrup as a hypertonic solution. That's how they lose their liquids to become equal with their environment. To prove and control it, this third egg was a control group for this third step, and so it is a crumpled cell surface. I can't be sure is it clear on the camera, but as you see, it loses so much liquids. That's how this cell culture become a hypertonic cell inside. At the last, I put last egg in water. At this experiment, I accepted my water as a hypotonic solution. I colored it because I could prove that if egg swell up and get colorful, that means inside of egg is hypertonic, so it need the liquid to optimize inside. We can see clearly difference between third egg and fourth egg. It lose some liquids and become hypertonic cell, and it gets some liquidity inside, and it can optimize inside. That's how end of the experiment, by using our eggs as a cell culture, I proved existence and directions of osmosis. So thank you.